Hello, welcome to China Tanfon. Are you also looking for the 50 kilowatt hybrid solar system for hotel use? This is our 50 kilowatt hybrid solar system. It can automatically start and close the diesel generator. Here have one set of the MPPT built-in, and here is the isolation transformer. And this is the EMS. It can remote control and cartwheel the whole set solar system. Here also have the screen to show you the data, all the data of the whole set solar system. This is our lithium battery. The capacity is 307 kilowatt-hour. Now, the lithium battery and the inverter is doing the communication test before delivery. This 50 kilowatt hybrid solar system, we use 84 pieces solar panels. The daily power generation is 302 kilowatt-hour. The solar panel installation space is 252 square meters. Welcome to contact us. We will give you the one-stop service of the solar system.